Hi guys, welcome to Identity. How to fix update error 0x800704f1. So how to fix? So guys, go to update firstly. Any pending update, so you can update your Windows. Click to update. Install and all update. This is a new update launch for KB50140019. It is available, so you can download and install, and also click to download. So many pending for security update and removal. Okay, and then second step, and type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, click to yes, and type sfc space slash scan now, and then enter. Now this is this command for your Windows file corrupted, not installing, not uninstalling, not opening. It means any file has corrupted and repaired to 100%. So guys, please wait few minutes. So guys, scan now PC is complete 100% now showing, and this is second command. So all command I will give you in description, so you right click to just copy, and on this disk just right click, automatically paste. So then enter. Okay, so actually there are three command: CheckHealth, ScanHealth and RestoreHealth. So now ScanHealth, and then one more, then enter. Now this is some doing. Then guys, you enter third command, and RestoreHealth, and type enter. Now this is restoring your system health, so please wait few minutes. And then guys, third step, Windows R services.msc, then enter. Now click to then double click to background digital transfer. So you can click to manual, can click to, you click automatic and then start. Then apply, okay, close. Fourth step, then guys, search cmd, right click to run as administrator, then yes, and then type net stop. So this all command I will give you in description, so you copy and paste. Okay, then enter. Okay, and then second, and then this guys, this command, and again enter. And then guys, again net stop bits, then enter. Then again net stop msiserver, then again enter. Then guys, close. And open my Windows Explorer, like my PC, go to C drive, Windows, system 32, scroll down, system 32, cart row 2, open and delete all. Delete. Yes, continue. If some file is not deleted, so it's okay, no problem, so cancel it. Then again come to Windows and go to software distribution. So software distribution is not available in your system, so no problem, because this is not important. And again control all and delete, check and then continue. So some file is deleted, okay, and then close. And then guys, restart your system. Have any issue, comment me, I will support you. Comment me what is a showing error. So guys, okay, bye bye, take care.